FLEXTAILGEAR probably did the tiniest little powerful pump that I've known, that I've seen, and that I've used. This thing is super cool. Just tested it out, and I'm going to test it out again with you with this compression bag right here. But it does way more than compression bags because it's a two-way pump. It can inflate and deflate. So of course with the compression bag here, I will be deflating, but with all of the little nozzles that they do include, you can inflate pool floaties, you can do air mattresses, you can do, look at this. This is for the pool floaties, for example. You can do air mattresses with this. You can do different type of sleeping mats as well. All this stuff, like if you're a camper, if you're someone that, needs to inflate things on a, really, really quickly, you can do this with this little rechargeable via USB-C air pump. They do provide you with the USB-C cable. When it is fully recharged, you have about a 15-minute runtime, which is plenty to not only do a few of these bags, but a couple of more things around the house as well. It does come, as the wind picks it up here, it does come with a nice little bag where I can keep everything. So I'm going to put all of the stuff that I won't be using right now for this demo, but this one here. This one here is the attachment that I need for this compression bag. And I will show you what I mean. So we've got air in here, we've got a bunch of clothes, and you've got your typical classic nozzle right here, or opening, which is going to be perfect for this one right here. So I'm going to add on the adapter. All it is that I clip on the adapter right here, and I'm going to twist this on. The air is going to be coming out of here and obviously being suctioned from this bag. As soon as I'm in right here, I should be good just like that. And the power button is right at the top right here. So I'm going to press the power button, nice little hold, and should be on. And look at this. Look at this right away. This is really cool. And that's the thing. You don't have to hold it there. You don't have to do anything. You can literally walk away. You know it's going to take about a minute to fully compress, and it's really doing its job right here. And look at that. And the air's coming out. Look at that. This little tiny pump. Very, very cool. And yeah, love the fact that it is rechargeable, so that you will never, and rechargeable even with a portable charger. Doesn't take that much. It's 3.5 kPa as far as power goes. Let's make sure that we got that. Look at this. I'm gonna turn it off, literally twist it off and cap it, and away I go. And of course, I could go on and on because it still was suctioning out all of that air out of here. So yeah, for a tiny pump, it delivers extremely high-powered vacuum